These are the elevators at the Commerce Building in downtown Youngstown, Ohio. These are Otis's from 1989. Series 1. Get them across. Oh my gosh, they have the grandma voice. First time filming one like this. A-L. Here we go down.
Atrium level.
There's the atrium level.
Going out.
5. See if I can get the other one. Maybe that one doesn't have an annoying fan like this one. My first one with the grandma voice. Oh my gosh. I think they're just MRQs though. They're not 401s.
Fifth floor.
We're at 5.
Going down.
We're at atrium level and 1. Card readers flashing red and green. HID language that means unlocked. Certificate. Non-ADA found. It's a basic fake grain original cab. This building was renovated in 1999. It's an older building now.
Atrium level. Going up.
1.
Lobby. Going down.